Well, I met a girl and she said to me to watch for angels on the sea. And she said, try not to lose your cool, but it's alright if you do. And I said, oh.